Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JP Khasi Tech. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Now let's start the project. First of all, open the XML file and then let's design the object here. The object will be button. Okay, so I'm going to take first button. Height and width, I'm going to use wrap content. Now let's give the text for the button. Now let's increase the text size so that you can see properly. I'm going to use 40 SP. Now let's give the text style as a bold. Now let's give the padding for the button. I'm going to use 10 dp. Now let's give the text color for the button so it will look nice. I'm gonna use coded color. Okay, now it's look nice. Now for the next button, I'm gonna copy this one and just paste here. Okay, now let me increase the padding. Here I'm gonna use 50 dp. Now let's bring all this object in the center. Go to main linear layout. So I'm gonna say gravity bring in the center. Okay, center. Now let me arrange this in a vertical mode. So I'm gonna say orientation vertical. Okay, now it's look good, but it is too close, so let me bring that object little far from each other. So I'm gonna say margin top and I'm gonna use 50 dp. Okay, now it's look very good. Now the XML part has been finished. Now let's go to the drawable folder and create two files. Here we need two files, so just right click on a rest folder, go to new and then select Android resources file, and then here the resources type select drawable, and then instead of selector in a root element type shape and then give the name of the file. So I'm going to use round underscore 1. Okay, now just click OK. Then you see one file is created. Now one more we need. Right click on a rest folder again, go to new and then select Android resources file. Now here do the same. Resources type will be drawable, and then instead of selector I'm going to use shape. Okay, now give the name. I'm going to use round underscore. Now this time this will be 2. Okay, now just select OK. Now go for the round one first, XML file here, and then let's design the shape here. First of all, I'm going to give the stroke width 2 dp and let me give the color black. So I'm going to call color and it is black. Now just close this one. The next I'm going to give the solid color for the shape, solid, and then give color. Okay, now the color will be d8 d8 d8. Okay, now just close it. Now let's give the corner for the shape. Now I'm going to use radius. Okay, to 100 dp. Now it's look very good. Now let's copy this one and then let's go to the round button 2 and then just paste below here inside. Now do some changes. Instead of corner radius 100, I'm gonna use button right radius and give 50 dp. Next I'm gonna use top left radius 50 dp. Now it's very good. Now let's go to the XML file and set this one to the background of the buttons. Now go here, layouts, and then let's go to the first button. So I'm gonna call background. Background I'm gonna give here button 1, round 1. Okay, now can you see the button style has changed already. Now let's go to the second button and give here also the background. So background I'm gonna use button round 2. Okay, can you see guys, here the style already has been changed. Now let's run the project and see. Okay guys, the app has learned successfully. Now you can see that the design of the button has been changed even here, but it's look very good. So only this guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.